Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe. In the world of stock trading, stop loss and target price are two important concepts that every investor should understand. A stop loss order is a predetermined price level set by a trader to limit potential losses. It helps protect your investment by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a certain price. This can prevent you from losing more money than you are willing to risk. On the other hand, a target price is the price at which a trader plans to sell a stock to take profits. It is important to set a target price to lock in gains and avoid getting greedy. Both stop loss and target price are essential tools for managing risk and maximizing returns in the stock market. By setting these levels, you can protect your investments and make informed decisions based on your financial goals. Remember, the key to successful trading is having a solid strategy in place. So, make sure to incorporate stop loss and target price in your trading plan to stay disciplined and in control of your investments. I hope you understand the concept of stop loss and target price in stock market. Comment your opinion, like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the Tectonic Motivator channel for more interesting updates.